Good morning everyone. Hey, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is I can't even say it. It's a vlog of my first day of college. If you guys don't know, I'm a senior, so it's my last first day of college. Also, if you don't know, I moved into my apartment 2 days ago, so still a work in progress, so be nice, please. It's a little rough right now. If you don't know, I go to Arizona State University. Today's a Thursday. Today is August 19th, almost 10 a.m. We start classes on Thursday, which is like a little weird, but I kind of like it. I have 2 classes today and we're actually in person. So the way that like our school is it's in person, no Zoom, but you have to wear a mask inside. So that is kind of what it is. I'm really excited, really nervous. I kind of feel like this day like jumped on me, and every single year I get less and less prepared for the first day of school. I want to just like clean up my room a little bit, make my bed. My room is a disaster because I'm still in the process of moving. We can make the bed. We can make the bed. Like we can definitely do that. Oh my gosh. One thing that I did today was I went to the gym. Normally sometimes I would go to the gym in the morning, but I've never worked out on the first day of school ever. And normally I'm like, okay, this is a day where I can figure things out. But I thought to myself, if I want to get into a routine, I might as well start on the first day. So I went to the gym. I just like walked on the treadmill for 30 minutes and then I showered. I actually got food, made myself a bagel. I'm quite hungry. Good. Now we're gonna make the bed. Oh, dang it, it was dark. This is a new room, so I need to get used to the lighting, but I promise I'll be better next time. Because there's a mask mandate, I feel like there's a pretty good chance that I won't be wearing makeup most of the days. Totally for the mask mandate with that many people. I probably won't be wearing makeup because like the makeup will like rub on my mask, but today's the first day of school, so I was like, why not? I'll be wearing makeup today. It's probably all gonna rub off on my mask, and I'm fine with it. I hope to get a cute first day of school photo. That's all that matters. It's my last first day of school ever. I deserve this, you know? What am I looking for? My water. Got another thing. Cue time lapse. The way that I just slapped my hand. All done. If you guys don't know this about me, I'm such a planner. I follow my to-do list to a T, so I made one last night. I'll link these to-do lists down below. They're incredible. They're so cute, and I love how they have like the time slots and the date. Just I'll link it down below, but I'm obsessed. I love these. I made this to-do list to follow throughout the day, and I'm trying to, well, ooh, I did something. Haha. Get ready. Haha. Oh, that was a huge check mark. I might go get some packages from like the leasing office or whatever because they just opened up, but my first class is at 12. This is actually quite funny. This is my last year of school ever, and I've never taken the bus before, and for the first time ever I'm taking the bus. But the bus like leaves like an hour before my class starts because you have to get there. There's always traffic, and then I want to make sure there's times. I pretty much have to be done by 11 and it's 10:20. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna run to the leasing office and pick up my packages, and we can do a little unboxing before I leave for school. Do you think I have enough packages? It's kind of heavy. Who's ready for an unboxing? Most of these are probably for my apartment, so keep that in mind. I got blackout curtains. I have blinds, but they don't work that well. Ooh, okay. So I basically bought a bunch of the same shirt, and I just want to see what's better. I wanted a white button down for so long, and I've never been able to find like a really good one, so I got a few, and I thought I would just pick my favorite and return the rest. That was the most uneven cut. I got fashion tape, which is supposed to make like a button down like collar like pop out more. The other button down. Ooh. This is the bedding that I ordered because the one that I have I really don't like. So I got this one. I'm already in love with it. It's like this beautiful waffle texture. I love it already. I'll probably make my bed when I get back from class because I just don't feel like doing it now. Yay! We have about 30 minutes before we need to leave because I got an email saying like the bus is a little late, which I figured would happen. There's always so much traffic like on the first couple weeks of school. Now we're gonna get dressed, and I don't know what I'm gonna wear, so I might ask you guys to help me, even though I've already been to school by the time you see this vlog. I love this outfit. This is from Abercrombie. I think these are 2, honestly. I'm not sure if this is like a little Scandi. And then my only issue that I have with this outfit is I live in Arizona and it's like 100 and something outside today and humid because it has been like monsoon season, so it like pours rain every night. So I'm wondering, is this going to be too warm of an outfit, and does it look like I'm wearing pajama pants? Because I don't want it to look like I'm wearing pajama pants, but I think it's cute. This is option 2. It's a lot more like simple and basic. This shirt is from Zara. These pants are from Princess Polly. I love them. This is like the new style nowadays. But my one fear is like these tops make my boobs sweat a lot because like there's no airflow right there, so I sweat a lot, and I feel like it's kind of like a boring outfit, but I thought maybe let's try the button downs on. I think that that could be cute, right? Like, what do you think? It's also very thin. I roll the sleeves up a little bit. I feel like I might go with this one. I will say I'm already sweating though. Maybe I'm just nervous because I feel underprepared. Button down number 2. I can't find the armhole. Found it. I hate this. This is the return. So stiff and it's really tight around my elbows. Okay, ready for the outfit? Same pieces as before. How do we like the button down? Super cute. I put on my ASU scrunchie. It has our mascot Sparky all over it. I got it when I toured ASU, so I thought it was only fitting to wear it today. I have some rings, more rings. They're all from Amazon. These are the necklaces. I was gonna wear another one right here, but it broke. I actually broke the clasp on this one too. These are the necklaces. I'm obsessed with necklaces. These are all from Etsy. These earrings are from Amazon. I'm gonna wear white Air Force Ones and then a black mask. The mess that getting ready and then opening all the packages created right there. We'll clean it later. I have school to go to. I'm packing up all my things in my backpack. I'm getting kind of nervous for some reason. Not like I've never been to school before. Well, honestly, I haven't in a while. It's been a while since I was in person. I want to bring my to-do list. We're gonna go to school. Why am I so nervous? I just got home literally 5 seconds ago. I'm in my kitchen right now. Oh, who left that open? But I thought I'd tell you guys how it went. So if you guys remember earlier in the day, I was talking about how I take like the bus, like my apartment has a bus for us. There's always so much traffic on the first day of school that I was almost late. I got to my class like 2 minutes before it started. I left to wait for the bus an hour before and then it got here really late. Obviously there's traffic and then we had to wait in the traffic, which is really long. So it took us like 30 minutes or something to get to school. I was like running to my class. My friends, I have 2 friends in both the classes today and they were like, girl, get here. And I was like, I'm trying. I was like tapping my foot being so like antsy. And then I had a class. The professor seemed really cool, like super chill. And then he let us out early, but I have back-to-back classes. So I just kind of like stood around talking to my 2 friends. My 2 friends have the 2 classes with me. So we just kind of like stood around talking. And then we went to our other class, which was really nice. I'm excited for both of them. I like being a senior because you're taking more like major, I don't know how to pronounce that word, specific classes. So it's like actually things that I'm interested in, which I'm very happy about. Yeah, we took pictures on Old Main. That's like that little clip because we wanted to do like first day of school pictures. I saw my friend Tori and then my little Nicole. It was just really hot. So my friend Tori drove us home, thankfully. I was really awkward vlogging at school, so I got some like montage footage, but in the future I'll try vlogging, but first day, but I'm starving. It is 4 o'clock and I'm just now getting home. My last class ended at like 2:15 or 2:45, something like that. Look at how cute this is. My roommate wrote that. I'm about to eat some food because I'm starving. I don't know if you guys can see like the sweat right there. Like my entire shirt is soaked. It's so hot outside. My button down did get like drenched in sweat, but thankfully you couldn't see through it. Blessed. And it was like super thin, so it wasn't too bad. I thought it'd be fun to change the bedding out. I'm very excited. I also ordered some prints from Costco. I ordered quite a bit. Only this one came, but super cute. You guys can see my vlog camera reflection, but I thought it would be fun to switch out my bedding with the bedding that I'm actually going to keep. I also changed into a new shirt that wasn't covered in sweat. Good moment for me. I think it looks nice. I have a duvet insert for it. It's a little hot outside, so I thought that I might just use the blanket tonight, see if it's warm enough. If it's not, then I'll put it in, but it was kind of hot last night. I love this texture. Little bit of an update for you guys. My mom and stepdad came and they were nice enough to help me with some things around my apartment because like I said, I moved in like 2 days ago, so nothing is really done. I apologize that this isn't like a very school focused day. I promise the rest of my college week of my life videos will be, but today's kind of a hectic day and I had no assignments or anything to do, so I was like, whatever. But I'll show you guys what we did. My stepdad hung this TV for me. They brought my desk from home, and then guys, can we talk about the shower head that we installed? We were going to put sconces up here, but then I realized the ones that I ordered, they're not plug-in ones. They're ones that you have to like wire into the wall, and that's not happening in an apartment. So right now what I want to do, clean up the mess and then organize my drawers. It's a day. I'm exhausted. I can barely keep my eyes open. It's 9:29 and I literally want to go to sleep. I know that this is like not the typical first day of school vlog and I really apologize for that. I have my first full week of school and that'll be a more normal week next week, so expect a college week of my life. I know I already said this, but that'll be a more normal week. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys liked it. I hope you guys are excited to see how my room turns out, and I'm sad that I'm a senior. That's a crazy thought. I love you guys. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already. I make tons of college content. I love you so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!